prism of angle 15 degree made of glass, a refractive index is equal to 1.5 is combined with another prism of glass. Refractive index is equal to 1.75 and the first prism angle of prism is equal to 15 degree. The combination of prism produces dispersion without deviation. Find the angle of prism. See, producing dispersion without deviation, it means dispersion exists and deviation, net deviation due to the combination is equal to 0. As we know, dispersion produced by the first prism plus deviation produced by the first prism plus deviation produced by the second prism is equal to 0 as per the given condition, that is without deviation. So deviation formula for the first one is deviation is equal to refractive index of first minus 1 into angle of prism for the first prism plus refractive index of the second prism minus 1 into its angle of deviation should be equal to 0. That is E2. That what we have to find out, find the angle of the second prism. It means we have to find out E2 is equal to, when this goes that side, that becomes mu1 minus 1 into A1 and divide this mu2 minus 1 into, okay. So this is the angle of expression for the angle of prism for the second prism. The minus indicate that the first prism and the second prism both should be in inverted fashion. It should be like this. If the first prism is like this, the second prism should be inverted. So this is E2, this is E1. So substituting values, we can substitute the value A2. A2 is equal to minus refractive index of first one is 1.5 minus 1 into A1. A1 is equal to 15 degree divided by, second one is 1.75 minus 1. Substituting value in this one. So this we get minus 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5 into 15 degree divided by 1.75 minus 1 is equal to 0.75. So this is equal to, as we can read, minus 0.5 multiplied by 100, that will become 50. 0.75 multiplied by 100, this becomes 75. So multiply both the sides, numerator and denominator, by 100 and into 100. So 100, 50, 0.75, 50 into 15 degree. So this is 2 times, this is 3 times, 2 times, this 3 times is equal to minus 30 degree by 3 is equal to minus 10 degree. So this comes up to be minus 10 degree. So the angle of prism, angle of the second prism is equal to minus 10 degree. Minus 10 degree means what? The angle of prism for the first one is equal to 15 degree. It means this and these are minus. It means the first prism whose angle is equal to 15 degree, and second one should be 10 degree. It should be kept oppositely. The angle should be oppositely downwards, and its refractive index is mu1. Its refractive index means 2. This combination produce net deviation is equal to 0, and dispersion, as we know, dispersion is equal to dispersion produced by the first lens plus dispersion produced by the second lens. So dispersion is available, but deviation is equal to 0 for this combination of prisms. When light is passed through a prism of angle phi, angle is equal to phi, angle of prism is equal to phi. If the refractive index for a red color and blue color. So we get two colors, that is refractive index of red color is mu red, which is equal to mu red. Red color is 1.641. Refractive index for blue color is equal to 1.659. Calculate the angle of deviation. It means we have to calculate the angle of deviation. It means when passing through the prism, we get four colors. This is first color is red, last color is violet, then yellow, then blue. So here he is asking the dispersive power and angle of deviation. As we know, the angle of deviation between red and blue angle of deviation is given by refractive mean deviation. So we can call it as mean deviation, refractive index of yellow color minus 1 into angle of prism. Why we calculate mean deviation? Because deviation means deviation correspond to yellow color, which we call it as average or mean deviation. So we will calculate for yellow color. Since yellow color means is the mid of the deviation. The deviation produced by the yellow color is given by the average of given two. That is average of, so mean deviation is equal to refractive index of yellow is equal to refractive index of given color is the red and the blue. Red, refractive index of blue divided by 2, which is equal to red is 1.641 plus 1.659 divided by 2. 1.649, which is equal to 1.665, which is equal to, I am adding 0 plus 5, 1.65. 6, 12, so the answer comes out to 1.65. The refractive index of yellow color is equal to 1.65, which is the average of the given two colors, red and blue. Okay, now the mean deviation is equal to refractive index of yellow color minus 1 into angle of the prism, where this is the angle of the prism. So refractive index of yellow is 1.65 minus 1, 1.65 minus 1 into angle of prism is 5 degrees. So this can be 0.65 into 5, which is equal to 3.25 degree. Calculation may be wrong, so check it up. So calculate the angle of deviation between them and the dispersive power. As we know, the dispersive power is given by refractive index of the given color, extreme color divided by refractive index of the yellow color minus 1. This is mean. This is angular dispersion divided by mean deviation. Since here the violet is not given and instead of violet blue is given, so we will take the dispersive power between blue color and the red color. So this comes out to be, so dispersive power omega is equal to refractive index of blue, that is refractive index of blue is 1.659, 1.659 minus refractive index of red is 1.641. 1.641 divided by refractive index of the yellow color 1.65. 1.65 minus 1. 65 minus 1. This is equal to, this comes out to be, as it is, we have taken 1.65 is equal to some, the value after calculation. 1 is 6 minus 1, 8, 4 minus 1, 0.1 divided by 0.65. Thus we can calculate it 1018 divided by 650, which values comes out to be 0.28. So the dispersive power is given by 0.28, and the angle of mean angle of deviation between the blue and red color is given by 3.25 degree.